Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Yamaha VStar 1300. This big bore V-twin just arrived with only 11,800 miles. Beautiful metallic silver and gray paint scheme. It's got the quick release batwing fairing, the highway lights, engine guards, rear passenger backrest, and the locking hard case leather side bags, belt drive, 6-speed transmission, heel toe shifter. This fuel injected VStar 1300 is in beautiful shape and ready to go. Price to sell quickly, just $49.99. That's right, you heard me, $49.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.